Excellency, for Nasimbe, President of the Republic of Togo, Excellency Mahmoud Ali Yusuf, Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary of the Republic of Kenya, Summit co-chairs, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to join you for the Global AI Summit on Africa. To our special guests, welcome to Kigali. I hope you're enjoying your stay with us. Artificial intelligence is driving some of the most groundbreaking innovations of our time and accelerating the pace of digital transformation. Across industries, the benefits of artificial intelligence are very evident. More productivity, better informed decision-making, and reduced human error. However, it's unfortunate that the rise of this new technology is being overshadowed by geopolitical competition. For now, technological development is concentrated in a few countries. Africa cannot afford to be left behind, once again playing catch-up. We have to adapt, cooperate, and compete because it is in our best interest to do so. That's why we are here. In this regard, I want to thank the African Union, Smart Africa, and ITU for championing the creation of the Africa AI Council. The potential for innovation and creativity on our continent is immense. That is already a comparative advantage which artificial intelligence can multiply. Right now, our strategy should be to go back to the drawing board and build a stronger foundation for connectivity. Allow me to mention 3 areas that we need to prioritize for investment. Number 1 is digital infrastructure. Without reliable high-speed internet and power supply, artificial intelligence cannot be deployed. Number 2 is building our workforce to meet the demands of the labor market. The bottom line is that Africa needs its own data scientists, engineers, and cybersecurity experts. Actually, Africa has them. In Rwanda, we have established several centers of excellence to equip our young people with the skills to perform these jobs. Our next generation must be empowered. Africans will soon represent the majority of the growth in the global workforce. Number 3 is fast-tracking our continental integration. This will be crucial to harmonize Africa's AI governance frameworks and come together to accelerate resource mobilization. When you talk to entrepreneurs, one thing they will tell you is how difficult it is for them to scale their products and innovations. Africa's regulatory framework Africa's regulatory fragmentation is a big reason for this. As we speak, there is still a lot of uncertainty surrounding artificial intelligence, especially regarding privacy and safety. But one thing is certain. Technology is supposed to be a force for good, and we have a responsibility to use it accordingly. I'm confident we can work together to make this possible. I think if we work together, even in what was stated as geopolitics, diplomacy, politics, and so on and so forth, we may drive AI to serve us well and not allow AI to get involved or drive our politics and our diplomacy and cooperation. Certainly, it would be a dangerous place if we involve the artificial intelligence too much in our politics. We may have something good coming out of it, but I think we might also have terrible things happening to us. So let's remain working together and driving the AI, as again earlier said by others, to reduce inequality and allow more and more of our citizens to benefit from the good AI can deliver to all of us. Thank you very much, and once again, most welcome.